Hello everyone! Do you want to learn something cool today? The word price is the quantity of payment expected or given by one party to another in return for goods or services. It comes from the Latin word pretium, which referred to price, value, and reward. It is a noun. We pronounce it as price. Price. We spell it as Price. Price. Let me use it in a sentence. They decided to wait for the book sale to get a better price. Again, our word for today is price. Thank you and God bless.